Hi everyone, welcome to this is the very first vlog. The last one was just a mini one because all I did was go shopping, as you can see here. Got my spring mug out. It's dark, I know. I'm legit recording this right after the last vlog. Been eating the mini eggs. I'm addicted already. Well, I've been eating those while I've been editing the vlog as well. So yeah, in this vlog, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna, I'm gonna decorate the bedroom. But first, I have to take down all of the Christmas decorations, all of the Christmas trees. You can't see those up there, Christmas trees. And look who's behind me. Cooks. Who's this? What's this? She can see herself in the camera. Who's that? That's you. Oh. No, you can't have my mini eggs. Alright, let's get to taking down these decorations, shall we? If I can move that is. Help me, please. I don't have that many Christmas decorations because I've taken Christmas winter decorations. I don't have many. Sorry about that. Cookie hit the tripod and again. But yeah, I'm gonna take down these and the trees up there. Then I'll start decorating for spring. I've recently bought these as well. These are so handy. This is the central diffuser, and I love this little corner. I think I might add like a plant there, like a fern or something. And here we are. I will be fiddling around with this because I'm not sure that works. I think I might pop that on top but move that over one. The other way. I like this. Now it's time to work on the big shelf behind me. If I have enough stuff for that. Yeah, that's better. I like that more. I might move that though. I'm not sure. I think I might move that in there and then move that next to my candle. Anyway, I'm going to leave it like this for now. Now let's work on the big shelf. Up here, I'm going to remove those. Actually, I think I might keep this in. Get rid of the Christmas stuff, obviously. But keep that in. It's gonna take some time to sort the shelf out. I've actually gone and decided to do this. Found this not long ago. Maybe I could use this. Let's give it a shot. That's better. This works. A bit of spring and a bit of autumn together. Now let's pop this up here. That matches that and that, and that. So I'm happy about that.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Hello. I'm gonna put this, the tray, on the windowsill. That thing, in fact, that could actually work, or it could totally fail. Like, it works. Does it work? Yeah, it works. And yes, I'm looking at the camera so I can see where there's like a camera as well. I like that. I'm actually going to I've actually decided to change the big fern, stick the fern up there, but stick this one of the small plants on the window. On the shelf. That's what I was on about. It looks a lot more cleaner now. Now let's work on this one. And again, apologies for the shaky camera. The floorboards aren't stable.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August.
There we go, that adds a bit of colour. I like that. And that's the end of this vlog. I'm talking a bit quieter now because it's very, very late. It's about 12:30 at night. I'm not sure. I'll keep my voice down because my sister's downstairs sleeping. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. And I'll see you later.